To make Mateo's Chilean sopapillas with Pebre, first wash your hands. Start with the Pebre by pulling leaves off a small handful of fresh coriander. Add the leaves and stalks to a jug of baby tomatoes and carefully chop them up. Add 3 chopped spring onions and garlic puree to the jug and mix it to finish the Pebre. To make the sopapillas, take a bowl of plain flour, add baking powder and a pinch of salt. Then mix them together and put the bowl to one side. Ask a grown-up to cook and cool sweet potatoes for you, and then twist to break them in half. Scoop out the middle into a jug, add some vegetable oil, and mash up the sweet potato. Tip this into the bowl of flour and mix it. Then use your hands to bring it all together into a dough. Carefully cut the dough in half and save half for later. Lightly sprinkle flour over the worktop and rolling pin, then roll out the dough. Use a cookie cutter to carefully cut out 8 dough circles. Then do the same with the other half of the dough. Place all the dough circles onto baking paper on an oiled baking sheet. Make 3 lines in each circle with a spoon. This will stop them from rising and will help them to cook more evenly. Ask a grown-up to put them in the oven for you. When the sopapillas are cooked and slightly cooled, they are ready to eat. They look golden and crispy on top and will taste delicious with the colourful Pebre. Please make sure that no one eating this is allergic to any of the ingredients in the recipe. This is a My World Kitchen Amber recipe to be eaten occasionally.